A quote says, "As your language grows, so does your identity." Today, we learned some Jinghpaw alphabets with rhymes.
ba, da, ga, ha, ja. Ba, da, ga, ha, ja. Ba, bao dum bao wo, ka sun ka no.
A gong can get a hole if struck too many times. In the same way, talking too much can turn into arguments.
Da, dum su nga, leng bun na.
Bullocks are for pulling carts.
Ga, kum ra gnu, kesha lu.
A mother horse gets a baby horse.
Ha, hey manang wa, nang di sa.
Hey, friend, come here.
Ja, jong di sa, like ka ka.
We go to school and learn to write. Now repeat after this.
Ba, bao dum bao wo, ka sun ka no. Da, dum su nga, leng bun na. Ga, kum ra gnu, kesha lu. Ha, hey manang wa, nang di sa. Ja, jong di sa, like ka ka.
Let's see some vocabulary.
Bao,
Gong,
wo,
to make a hole.
dum su,
Bullock,
liang,
cart,
kum ra,
horse,
canoe,
mother,
menang,
friend,
sa,
to go to,
jong,
school.
ka,
Right. Please repeat this.
bao, wo, dum su, liang, kum ra, canoe, menang, sa, jong, ka.
When you say right, pronounce.
Ka,
The word ka has at least 3 meanings.
ka,
Right,
ka,
dance,
ka.
basket. So catch its pitch sound. Remember that you can always pause the video and revise to make your best learning. Let's use these vocabs in Jinghpaw phrases and sentences.
bao go matum sun bi yu mi re.
A gong is a kind of musical instrument.
Shikum wok tap u.
Make a hole in the wall.
Dum su ni go kun cha ai.
Bullocks are strong.
Dum su leng jon ka.
Let's go for a ride in a bullock cart.
Kum ra ni go kat chang ai.
Horses run fast.
Canoe ni je tum re.
Mothers know best.
Nye menang go ram ai.
My friend is smart.
Ora de sa ga.
Let's go there.
Nai jong sa na re.
I will go to school.
Ndai mak sha go like ka je ka ai.
This little kid can write. I would like to encourage you to do saying these sentences for many times. Remember that you can always pause the video and revise to make your best learning. Great. You show your thankfulness to God for precious gift, Jinghpaw language, by learning this lesson. Way to go.